May market stats for Victoria are out. The market's always changing, but the past 4 months specifically have been a transitional period. Last year marked the most aggressive interest rate increases that we've had, and in January of this year, the Bank of Canada did announce another 0.25% increase, bringing the policy rate up to 4.5%. However, in March and again in April, the Bank of Canada did announce a hold to the interest rate increases, and that's when we really started to see buyers feel more confident entering the market with a greater sense of stability. Now, the Bank of Canada announcements are pre-scheduled, and the next one is on June 7th, so whether they decide to continue to hold interest rates or they do an increase, we can suspect that that's going to have an impact on market activity. As of right now, in May, the numbers marked the 4th consecutive month of an increase in sales activity. Benchmark prices for condos and detached homes are starting to creep up, but they're still lower than they were at this time last year. This is a good sign because the rapid increase in benchmark pricing that we saw was characteristic of an unsustainable market, and that is what prompted the home buyers rescission period as well as the increase in interest rates. The market did cool off, and the home buyers rescission period hasn't been playing a significant role, as buyers are still able to make offers that are competitive with their conditional period. However, when we do enter another intense time in the market, then we'll be able to see the effects of the home buyers rescission period play out. If you've been following finance specialists, mortgage brokers, or other agents, then you've probably heard this statement before, but it's worth repeating. Even though interest rates have come up, if you can afford to buy the home you want now, then it's probably a good time for you to buy. It's less competitive, prices aren't as high as they were when the rates were at that historical low, and you can always refinance in the future if rates come back down. Now, as a homeowner, it's always a good idea to get an updated home equity check because the market has changed considerably, especially in neighborhoods where there's not a lot of properties listed. We're starting to see homes that didn't sell at the end of last year come back onto the market at the same price or even higher and go relatively quickly in today's market. As a buyer, the best thing that you can do to set yourself up for success is connect with a mortgage broker or specialist to get a realistic idea of what you can afford. It may be more than you thought or it may be less than you thought, but it's a great starting point for us to work together and come up with an effective plan to meet your home ownership goals. Whatever stage you're at, we're always happy to have a conversation and see how we can help, whether that's a home equity check, connecting you with a mortgage specialist who we recommend, or reviewing market stats of neighborhoods or areas that you're really interested in moving to. That's what we're here for, so please never hesitate to reach out. My name is Ricky Lee Jewell. I'm with the North Pacific Homes Group and eXp Realty, and thank you so much for watching this market update.